Welcome to Segun Obayendo Foundation, promoting national language for unity.
Learning Yoruba language.
Good to see you again. Welcome to another episode of Learning National Language for Unity with Segun Obayendo Foundation. In this episode, I'll be taking you on words and their meaning in Yoruba. Words and their meaning in Yoruba. Knowing these words and their meaning in Yoruba, we aid our learning in sentence making in Yoruba language. But before I continue, if you are watching this episode for the first time, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and as well write in the comment box. Words and their meaning in Yoruba. Words are ọ̀rọ̀, then meaning ìtumọ̀. Therefore, the topic of this episode is àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àti ìtumọ̀ wọn ní èdè Yorùbá. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àti ìtumọ̀ wọn ní èdè Yorùbá. Now let's look at commonly used words. Wá, for example, come. Wá, come. Go, lọ, lọ. Sit down, jókòó, jókòó. Stand up, dìde dúró, dìde dúró. Sùn, sleep, sleep. Fò sókè, jump, jump. These are commonly used words. Now let's look at other words. Human being, ènìyàn, ènìyàn. Teacher, olùkọ́, olùkọ́. Professor, ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n, ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n. Then academic doctor, that is the PhD holders, we call them ọ̀mọ̀wé, ọ̀mọ̀wé. Then the health doctor, we call them oníṣègùn, oníṣègùn. However, we can use the loan words. We can call them dókítà, dókítà. Then university, ifásitì, ifásitì. Culture, àṣà, àṣà. President, ààrẹ, ààrẹ. Governor, gómìnà, gómìnà. Then chairman, we call them alága in Yoruba, alága. Secretary, akọ̀wé, akọ̀wé. Part of PRO, Public Relations Officer, we call them alukoro, alukoro. Then language, èdè, èdè. Now let's look at some devices and their name. For example, video camera, ẹ̀rọ akáhùnkáwòrán, ẹ̀rọ akáhùnkáàwòrán. Photo camera, ẹ̀rọ ayàwòrán, ẹ̀rọ ayàwòrán. Laptop, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá àgbélétan, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá àgbélétan. Then computer, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá, ẹ̀rọ ayárabíàṣá. Phone, ẹ̀rọ ìléwọ́, ẹ̀rọ ìléwọ́. Now let's look at other words such as interpreter, ògbufọ̀, ògbufọ̀. Student, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Air condition, ẹ̀rọ amúlétutù, ẹ̀rọ amúlétutù. Now let's look at some words or some objects within our vicinity. For example, sun, oòrùn, oòrùn. moon, òṣùpá, òṣùpá. Air, afẹ́fẹ́, afẹ́fẹ́. Then cloud, kùrukùru, kùrukùru. Friends, let's make sentences using some of these words. Like I said earlier, I said we need these words in sentence formation in Yoruba. Now let's make some sentences using some of these words. Let's use president, for example. Remember, president is what in Yoruba? Ààrẹ. The secretary met with the president yesterday. The secretary met with the president yesterday. Akọ̀wé náà ṣe ìpàdé pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ààrẹ lánàá. Akọ̀wé náà ṣe ìpàdé pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ààrẹ lánàá. Let's make another sentence. The professor taught me rudiment of grammar. The professor taught me rudiment of grammar. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n náà ló kọ́ mi ní ìhun gírámà. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n náà ló kọ́ mi ní ìhun gírámà. Now let's make 2 more sentences before we wrap it up on this episode. Now let's use the word culture. Culture, àṣà. I love my culture. Mo fẹ́ràn àṣà mi. Mo fẹ́ràn àṣà mi. Now, finally, stand up and welcome your daddy. Dìde kí o kí bàbá rẹ káàbọ̀. Dìde kí o kí bàbá rẹ káàbọ̀. Friends and viewers, I believe you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles at Segun Obayendo Foundation. See you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye. Odiba.